Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to start mining the X11 algorithm for leetpools.net. The config I'm going to give you is for 280Xs, but I will also include some 270X configs. Just a little bit of information about this rig. This rig is running on the 14.6 beta drivers. I will give an exact link, and I will also include some links to get you up and running if the stock 14.6 drivers are giving you issues and you can't get 5 cards running. It's not detecting them, whatever. I'll give you links with some modified files to get this installed, and you will have all 5 or 6 or 7 cards running, however many your cards your motherboard can handle. You'll have running, I promise. Works every time. Don't trip out. I'll get you all the links, but first we're gonna get started. Go down to the links, get the newest SGMiner, and go ahead and extract it. Open up SGMiner. We're going to be using a configuration file instead of batches because I like configuration files. So go ahead and just go to new text document and just name it SGMiner, whatever. We're going to rename it in a sec. And paste this in. For pools, name whatever you want. X11 Leet. If you're mining with us, you want to use the stratum for X11 Leetpools.net. Your username has to be your Bitcoin address, triple, quadruple, 8 tuple. Check this. Make sure that you got this right because we cannot unsend to shitty addresses. Pass, whatever you want, X. Pool factor, leave that at 10. Algorithm, X11 mod. For the 280Xs, my cards like 19, others like 18, etc. Do lookup-gap to 8192 on the thread concurrency. My cards like the GPU engine at 1100 to hit that 4.1, 4.2 mark. If you guys have temperature concerns, drop it down to 1000, see how it likes it, adjust it, etc., etc. GPU threads too, you're going to be running 2 GPU threads. Like pretty much this is going to be your base configuration for any of the X algorithms like X11, X13, X15, etc. GPU fan, my cards are a little screwed up and beat to shit, so I have to leave 3 of the cards at 40% so the fans don't grind. But if you can see here, it's a good example. In between the quotes, if you put commas between, like I have here, you can adjust that's a per card basis. So if you want other card at 1150 and the other card because it's way too hot at 1000, etc., you just punch them in and it'll define it. Or if you just leave one value here, it'll do it for all of them across. Powertune at 20, I like it like that. And then if you guys are using a program to monitor your stuff, you want to have API listen true. You also want to have API allow, like this line here, and you'll be good to go. So that's really it. Just get this. This is your baseline config for any 280X that you're going to be running. So go ahead and go to save as, and we're going to delete this in quote. You got to have in quotes sgminer.conf, end quote. Save it. Close. Alright. Now, the first time you open this up, you're going to have to wait because the miner has to compile the bins. So while we wait for this, you can go ahead and head over to leetpools.net. So once you actually start mining, there's 2 ways you can do this. You can click on users here or users at the top. It'll take you to our current users mining, and I already have some of my rigs mining here. As you can see, you got here, you just click on it and it'll go ahead and give you your hash rate. It takes 5 to 10 minutes to realize your full hash rate on the dashboard, but I already have some rigs mining here, so once you do that, you'll see your hash rate, and then as the pool collects money, we'll tell you how much you've earned. And that's as simple as it gets, and then we automatically pay you out. As you can see here, you can see the recent payouts, etc., etc. for my address. Anyways, so that's it with Leet Pools. So I mean, this video is just a quick and dirty on how to start mining on our profit switching pool. If you're going to be mining in another pool, you're going to have to adjust the conf file to the different stratum, different username, etc. But this, pretty much from here down, is pretty generic for your 280X kind of rigs running on the 14.6 drivers. People really complain about these drivers. I don't have an issue with them. I did have an issue with them detecting my 5th card. I found the modified driver set to get that 5th card running, and I don't have a problem running at the new hash rates that people have been using. So 14.1 to, excuse me, 4.1 to 4.2 mega hashes per second per card on X11 is about what you're going to be aiming for. And as you can see here, that's what we've got. We've got about 20 mega hashes on the average for 5 cards here. What else is there? Oh yeah, so if you want to just get a rough idea what you might be making with our pool, if you're going to mine at leetpools.net, so right now the snapshot says we're making about 000574 BTC per day. So go ahead and multiply that by 20, and you'll figure out approximately, if this was to stay constant, how much you could expect to earn. But as always, it fluctuates, it changes higher or lower. But that's the basis. I mean, this is it. This is it. Super easy. Just get the drivers, get your rig running, throw in this config, and you're good to go. If you want to get in touch with us, you can click on the IRC chat link or go to help and click on click on contact us, and you can send me an email, and I swear I'll personally reply to it. I promise. You can also hit us up on IRC chat on #LeetPools on Freenode, or you can be lazy like I am and just go ahead and click on the IRC chat button on our website. We hope that you guys enjoyed this video, you found it useful. Like I said, I'll have everything that you need to get started in the description, everything you need. And just a quick note about if you're going to use the modified driver packs to get all 5 of your cards running, the best thing to do is I'm going to give you a link to the specific driver that you need. The current AMD 14.6 driver is not going to work. You got to use the one I give you because it was the original. I believe it was like it was the beta pack, not the release candidate. You need to use the beta one that I'm going to give you, and then head over to the Litecoin Talk links that I'm going to give and follow the directions there, and I promise you will install this through Device Manager following their methods, and you will get all your cards detected and running, and you will be mining like a boss. I promise. Anyways, guys, holler at us, hit us up. You know how to contact us. Go ahead and blow us up. And we hope to see you mining here at leetpools.net. Thanks, guys.